Here's a step-by-step guide to get a contractor license in Tennessee. Step 1. Choose your business structure. The first step is deciding how your business will be set up. This is your business structure, and it affects things like taxes, liability, and how your company operates. Many contractors in Tennessee choose to set up as an LLC. That's a limited liability company. It gives you personal protection, some flexibility with taxes, and it looks more professional to clients. If you're not sure what structure is best, you might want to talk to a business advisor or an accountant before you move forward. Step 2. Meet the basic requirements. Next, make sure you meet the basic qualifications. You need to be at least 18 years old. You must be a U.S. citizen or legally allowed to live and work in the country, and you shouldn't have any serious criminal offenses that would disqualify you. If you meet those 3 things, you can move on to the next step. Step 3. Pass the licensing exam. Now it's time to take the required exam. Everyone applying for a contractor license in Tennessee has to pass the business and law exam. It's open book, but still worth studying for. Depending on the type of work you'll be doing, you may also need to take a trade-specific exam. For example, if you're working in residential or commercial construction, there's a separate test for that. If you're applying as a business, one person from your company needs to take the exam. That person becomes the qualifying agent. They're responsible for keeping the license up to date. This person has to be an owner, officer, or full-time employee of the company. To prepare for the exams, you can use online courses or study guides. These are really helpful, especially since the tests cover both your trade and Tennessee's laws. Step 4. Prepare a financial statement. After the exams, you'll need to get a financial statement. This has to be prepared by a licensed CPA. That's a certified public accountant. The state uses this document to figure out your monetary limit. That's the largest size project your business can legally bid on. Make sure the name on your financial statement matches exactly with your business name on the application. Any small mistake, even punctuation, can cause delays. And be sure to use a CPA licensed in Tennessee. You can check that using the state's license lookup tool. Step 5. Submit your application. Once all the prep work is done, it's time to apply for your license. You can apply online or by mail, but applying online is faster. The application fee is $250. You'll need to submit your application by the 20th of the month before the next board meeting. These meetings usually happen every other month. The schedule is posted on the state's public meetings calendar. Double-check that your application is complete before sending it in. Missing documents can slow things down. Step 6. Keep your license active. After your license is approved, make sure you keep it active. In Tennessee, contractor licenses must be renewed every 2 years. You'll need to pay a renewal fee and sometimes take continuing education classes depending on your license type.